How do you sell a home that needs work? I'm Shelly Holz with the Holz Group at Keller Williams Realty, and we get asked this question a lot because sometimes our property owners are inheriting properties that need to be sold as part of an estate, or other times it's just a property that's been held for quite a long time without work and maintenance being done to it. And they just think, I just want to get it on the market and sell it as is. Is that okay? So here are the top 3 things to consider when you're selling a home that needs some work. Number 1 is you don't need to fix everything. Just focus on the major deferred maintenance. Think about what would be distracting to a buyer or potentially pull them away from being excited about the property. It doesn't need a cosmetic overhaul or anything like that, but anything glaring or major should be addressed or at least talked about how we're going to handle that in the sale. Another thing within that element is if you've had any insurance claims. Buyers cannot get any sort of insurance money or relief if there was a storm or damage when it was not their time of ownership. So if there is any sort of insurance claim or damage that could be part of an insurance claim, we might need to address that ahead of time because it has to fall under the property owner's insurance policy. Number 2 is highlight the opportunities and the potential in the property. Buyers don't need it perfect, and not every buyer expects everything done for them. But the right buyer for a property with projects has a mindset of opportunity and potential. Sometimes those are investors that purchase properties, others are just ones that are handy or have connections to be able to do the work. So we want to focus on the right language and messaging in the marketing. Make sure to set proper expectations. TLC, needing some work, great opportunity to build equity. Those are all taglines that we use in marketing to set proper expectations so that way when they enter the home, they're not immediately disappointed and they see the opportunity and excitement ahead of them. And number 3 is price it right. Condition and price are connected. We can't separate them. Price should always be a reflection of the condition of the property. So you don't have to do all the work to put a property on the market, but we do need to price it right for the work that needs to be done and the condition that the property is in. So if you have a property that needs some work and you're thinking about selling in the year ahead, contact us today to talk strategy. We'd be honored to give you our tips and advice on things to consider and things you can skip over and not worry about in the potential sale. Call us at 651-998-9829.